Okay, so I'm moving classrooms this summer so that 3rd through 8th can be on one end of the hall. So here we go. Here's the new classroom. And we've got a little bulletin board, and then we've got this whiteboard where the screen gets pulled down. And then this will be out of here. And we have this little storage closet, if you can see that. And then right now the color scheme is like a maroonish color on the bottom and then the cream at the top with these curtains. And yes, it's very, very cute, but I have bright colors. Like, you'll see a few with the stuff that I've already moved in, like bright colors, like this kind of bright. So I think I'm gonna try to find somebody that can paint it for me. Okay, so, and I think, well, I'll tell you about that in a second. Love my little high-heeled chair. Okay, so we have these, this is an old school with hardwood floors. So we have this closet that goes from one end of the room to the other. So it has the heat and air unit in here. It's sort of dark, you can't see the other end real good, but it also, like this particular closet in this classroom, houses like the whole internet service, so I have to be careful with that in there. Okay, so here is a bulletin board with some built-in shelving. I'm not sure if you can see it past the stuff I've brought in. And then there is the other closet door, and it just goes straight through behind this wall right here. Hello. Okay, so then we're gonna take that TV and that mount down because, you know, number one, I don't really watch anything on the TV because we have a screen. And then here is the big whiteboard. It is old, it's a shower board. So I know that I don't need the whole entire whiteboard. I need bulletin board space, so I'm gonna do something with that. And then here's the door that I walked in. Somebody's knocking on the door. So I will talk to you later, but here's a view of my new classroom for 3rd grade next year. Talk to you later, bye.